Look at your skin right now. Is it thinner than it used to be? Is it drier? Are lines appearing faster than they should? Is your jawline starting to lose its definition? And no skincare product seems to help. You've probably spent hundreds of dollars on serums, creams, and collagen powders. But the real problem isn't on the surface, it is hormonal. And once your hormones drop, which happens to every woman in perimenopause and menopause, your skin begins to break down from inside out fast. And here's exactly what's happening. That's why I tell my female patients, that's why older men don't look as wrinkly and old compared to older women who have a lot more wrinkles and aging signs on their face, on their skin. Because men never lose their testosterone and estrogen that comes from that for men. So every man has estrogen, every woman has testosterone. It's just a different ratio, right? Here's the thing. Estrogen is your skin's life support. Estrogen is not just a reproductive hormone. People think that, right? It is one of the most powerful skin preserving compounds in the human body. But what makes women's skin so much softer and nicer compared to men's skin, right? Well, yes, men have skin too, but not like women's. So, right? Here's what the research actually shows. Women lose up to 30% of their skin collagen in the first 5 years after menopause. And that's not aging gracefully, is it? That's a collagen collapse. So estrogen basically stimulates fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. When estrogen drops, fibroblast activity plummets. So a landmark study published in the British Journal of Dermatology found that estrogen replacement significantly increased skin thickness, collagen content, and moisture levels in postmenopausal women. Now, we're going to get to how to do that. You don't want to go to any wellness clinic and just go get any palette or any cream. You have to be very careful about how you're replacing this. So someone who understands this very well, who went to school for it, preferably endocrinologist, will be your best bet. Now, estrogen also helps produce hyaluronic acid, right? The molecule responsible for keeping skin plump and hydrated. So no estrogen means no hyaluronic acid. No hyaluronic acid, no plumpness. So the serum that you're putting on your face is trying to compensate for what your body used to make automatically. Now, what about progesterone and testosterone? This is where most hormone conversations stop too early. Progesterone has anti-inflammatory properties that protect against skin sensitivity, redness, and breakouts that many women experience in perimenopause. It also promotes skin healing and reduces puffiness. Testosterone? Yes, women need it too. Directly stimulates sebum production at healthy levels, maintains skin firmness, and supports the structural integrity of the skin. Low testosterone in women accelerates skin thinning and loss of tone in the face and neck. A properly balanced bioidentical hormone replacement protocol basically addresses all three, not just estrogen alone. HRT and skin research is clear. A comprehensive review in Climacteric, the journal of the British Menopause Society, confirmed that HRT improves skin elasticity, hydration, thickness, and wound healing in postmenopausal women. Women on bioidentical HRT report firmer, more lifted skin, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, and improved skin tone and glow. And less dryness, less irritation, stronger nails, thicker hair. And this isn't a cosmetic vanity, by the way. This is your biology being restored. Now, what we do differently at the Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast, we don't guess with hormones. We test comprehensively. Estradiol, testosterone, DHEA, cortisol, and we build individualized bioidentical hormone replacement plans based on your actual levels and symptoms. We definitely don't believe in that one size fits all. We believe in your size. Your skin is telling you something. It's time to listen, right? And do something about it. So come visit us at our Port St. Lucie office at dthtcendo.com.